It's sometimes a challenge to incorporate fruits and vegetables into our diet if we don't know where to get them and we don't have that many options available to us. And also if we don't know how to cook those vegetables to begin with. So a good way to get started is to keep an open mind, explore what's around you, and go from there. How can we make fruits and vegetables easy to prepare? I would say finding what you like and the way you like to make it is a great start. I like to grill vegetables, for example. I feel like that builds up their flavor, gives them great texture, makes them crispy. So if we don't know where to start, let's say we have broccoli, we get in the kitchen, we pop them in the oven, add our own touches of seasoning so that we don't get bored if we don't have variety in our diet. What are some of my favorite ways to add fruits and vegetables to my meal? I have two favorite ways. One is to do a salad with fruits and vegetables. A lot of people don't do that, but I feel like it's a fun way to just have something fresh. The other way is to do smoothies. If I know I have some vegetables that are almost about to expire, I could add that into a smoothie, add some frozen fruits, and just have something refreshing if I'm pressed for time. A lot of people don't like to drink water if they don't like the taste. A good tip for that is to incorporate fruits into that water or some herbs that will increase the flavor. Take, for example, watermelon, a few leaves of mint, cut them up, add it into the water. It reminds me of having a cup of juice without feeling too guilty that it has a lot of sugar. Some of my favorite vegetables to work with are definitely leafy greens. I feel like they're very easy to combine with everything else. Some fruits, it goes well with any type of dressing, and they're really fun to just prep. How can I helpfully flavor my vegetables? I would say getting adventurous. If I know I like certain Latin flavors, I would add some seasonings to my vegetables, experiment with different sauces, or keep it simple with some salt and pepper goes a long way.